In this War Memorial Museum, there is an honorary place given to him by the Indian Navy. There is a tomb also there inside this. So guys, this place is Kunjali Marakkars War Memorial Museum. He was the Admiral of the fleet of Zamorin king of present day Calicut. There were 4 Marakkars. They defended their tactics against the Portuguese attacks and their invention from the period of 1520 to 1600. I was not allowed to make a video inside, so all this I'm doing it from the outside so that I don't have that issues here. So I'll just show that War Memorial Museum. The tomb which Indian Navy has honored him. So this was a memorial which was erected by Indian Navy as a tribute to the Kunjali Marakkars. Okay, this is the Kunjali Marakkars occupy a special position in the history of the Malabar coast. They symbolize native resistance to foreign rule and made lasting contributions to our glorious seafaring traditions. Also, see, it says this memorial has been erected by the Indian Navy as a tribute to the Kunjali Marakkars, whose extraordinary feats of valor over the seas in the 16th century not only stand as shining episodes in our rich maritime past, but also contribute to inspire the Indian Army for this day. Okay, so Indian Army needs some inspiration, so that is why this tomb was been erected by Indian Army. You can see the Indian Navy. Indian Navy's logo is also there here. Sorry for the misspellings because they play a crucial role, right, for India's defense. So this is his War Memorial Museum. Okay.